going on, Easter family? Values, man. Easter came early. Yeah, we went to Busan this weekend. Had a great time. We checked out the. We were supposed to check out the lantern lights. It was a big spectacle out there to show the lights of the culture. They got like these different types of lanterns that they design and they light up, but we missed it. So we had to go check out some other lights, and they had drones. It was 15,000 of them, and they just went crazy. Yeah, y'all can see them right here.
That is so cool, man.
Are they in the shape of drones?
Yeah.
I feel so bad for the people that are driving there.
Yeah, so like I said, that was a good time. We enjoyed it. We had a great time. You know, my daughter's in town, so she loved it. I mean, expect more videos coming soon. You know what I'm saying? It was a short video, but we just had to show y'all what we did out there, man. We loved it out there. Busan is definitely a vibe. If you haven't been to Korea, please go, please. And then check out Busan, Seoul, all those nice places. But yeah, remember, subscribe, like, comment, share, do all that stuff, man, please. Let's get the views up, man. We gotta support each other, all right? As a community, as a family, and let's go. If you follow me, I'm following back. And then we also got some giveaways that we're trying to do once we reach 1,000 subscribers. So we get 1,000 subscribers, we plan on giving out $50 gift certificate or gift card. Please, 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 please share, follow. Let's go, man. Gang, 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 gang. Each the gang, that is. Let's go.